Problem 37. It's saying what, on a number line, between which two numbers would the square root of 777 be located? There's no easy approach unless you know a lot of your perfect squares. But if you look at the answer choices, the answer choices go from A, 24 to D, 28. So the number choices that you have are 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 26, 27, and 27, 28. Okay? It's going to be in there somewhere. So I think the best thing to do is to pick one of these numbers and square it and see what you get. If you take 26 and you square it, that's going to be 676. Of course, you've got to do the math. Well, is the square root of 77 greater than or less than that? It's going to be a greater than. So it's got to be a number that's greater than 26. The square root of 27 is 729. So what is 26 squared? That's 676. 27 squared is 729. Does 777 fall between those two numbers? No, it doesn't. It's got to be between here. Because 27 squared is 729. 28 squared is 784. Therefore, the square root of that falls between these two numbers. Let me give you a bit different explanation of that. Let's say I was asking for the square root of 80. Now let's get a different one. Let's say I was asking for the square root of 75. And I said, which two integers does that fall between? Well, if you know your perfect squares, you know that 8 squared is 64. And you know that 9 squared is 81. So the square root of 64 is 8. The square root of 81 is 9. The square root of 75 comes in between 8 squared and 9 squared on the number line. The correct answer to that should be D, 27 and 28.